welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Veronica Penguin, and today we're gonna talk about Glossier. Is it worth the dollars? I want to have a little review about the things I bought over the last year or so, and I just want to give you my opinion about the things that I bought and what I would recommend, what I wouldn't, and in all, if it's worth the money. Okay, so let's get started with... oh, it's hard. So I have a few products. So let's start with that. This is the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. As you might see, I use this up. I really do enjoy this Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I really love it. This is the smallest size, I think, or the second smallest one, 60 milliliters. It has a little pump, which I love. I love cleansers with a pump. I don't know why. It's just easy and really nice. I really love the scent. It's quite neutral, but in the same time it has a bit of something, and I really use it quite often. I really want to repurchase this one, so I would highly recommend that one. It's really good. The first time I used that one actually had a bit of a breakout, so keep that in mind, but after a few days of using this one it stopped and it worked. So I really love that one and 100% can recommend this. So the next one I want to talk about, which is actually one of my first buys of Glossier products, which is the Wild Fig Balm Dotcom. I would say kind of viral thing, or I think that's the product how I got to know Glossier in the first place. And to be completely honest, I don't like it. I don't know why, I just really don't enjoy it. It's sad because I really want to like it, but it's not working with my lips. Every time I'm using this product, my lips are getting really dry, which is so sad because I really love the scent and I love the color because you can really build it up, and it's really a nice neutral pinkish color, which is something I really do love to wear. But it's not working for me. It's really not working, and maybe it's just not the perfect lip balm for me. Maybe it's for you, but if you have a bit more of a normal dry lip situation, I would not recommend that one. It's not working, and your lips just getting drier and drier, and it's really annoying. I really am not a fan of that one. It's just not working for me, even though it all says it's such a moisturizing lip balm, but it's actually not. At least for me it's not. So that product I would not spend my money on. I'm really sad that I have that one at home because I'm not really using it. Well, actually I'm not using it, so that's sad. So the next product I want to show you is this one. It's the Glossier Lash Slick. I freaking love the packaging of every product Glossier made. This is the mascara from Glossier. I got it in the... I think they have it in brown and in black, and I got it in black, and I freaking love it. It's really making your eyelashes quite natural, but you get a lot of color out of it, and I just love it. If you really like a natural look, like a no makeup look, that one is your friend, or your best friend, to be completely honest. It's such a good product. I freaking love it, and I think everybody should use that one. It's my go-to mascara if I want just a natural feeling, or having a feeling of wearing nothing but having a tiny bit of makeup on my face. So that one 100% recommend. I think it's around 20-ish pounds or 20-ish euros, something like that. I love it. I really love it. I love the packaging, and the product itself, so can 100% recommend that one. It's such a good product. What I really like about this product is actually that this part here is not really big or bulky, so I really like it because it makes the natural look. So then I actually have two products, actually the last two, the newish kind of products. It's the Ultralip Lipstick in the color Villa. It's actually my go-to whenever I'm wearing any lip products, like when I'm going out with friends or going out for dinner or just for Christmas or New Year's Eve. That's the one I'm gonna wear. Sometimes I have a little bit of gloss over it just to have a bit of a shine or something like that, but this is my favorite lip product because it is quite pinkish but neutral pinkish, which as you might see I really like. But what I really love about this product is I love things that can be built up, because I don't know, sometimes I just want a tiny bit of color, sometimes I want a full lipstick color. So this is my go-to. I freaking love it and I can 100% recommend it. It's such a great product, and I mean the packaging is amazing. It's pinkish, it's the typical Glossier pink tone. I just love it. It's actually my favorite color, so anyways, I freaking love it. This is the lipstick. You can see I already used it a lot. I freaking love this color. It's my absolute favorite one. As I said, it's the color Villa. They have it in a few other colors, but that one is my go-to. Would recommend it 100%. Then last but no means least are the hand cream. I did not know that Glossier made hand creams. I did not know it. I don't know why. I found out the last time I went to London and saw that one in their shop, and I was like, oh, that's interesting. I love the packaging. It's in a really interesting material. It's quite squishy, this part here, and that one is a little cap, and there you get your hand cream out, so you're actually squeezing it out. I love this hand cream. I'm always wearing hand cream, or most of the time. Well, the thing is, during winter time I have really dry hands, so that one really helps me. I'm using it every day. I like the scent. I'm not sure how to describe it. Maybe it's kind of the Glossier perfume scent. I'm not sure, to be honest. Such a nice scent. So as you can see, I have a few products and you had a little overview, and to be completely honest, I'm not sure which one of those products are actually my favorite ones. I think if I have to choose, oh, that's hard. Actually I think it has to be that one or the lip balm. Yeah, those two are my absolute favorite combo. I'm always wearing this mascara, and this is actually always the lipstick I'm using when I'm going out. I freaking love the Milky Jelly Cleanser. I really have to repurchase that one because it's almost gone and I have to get a new one. It's absolutely one of my favorite cleansers, and I 100% love this hand cream. I don't know if it's just the scent that I love, or the packaging, or just the hand cream itself. This is actually quite a new product for me. I think I need a bit more time to say if I really love that one. I'm gonna repurchase that one. But those three items, the cleanser, the lip balm and the mascara, are things that I'm 100% gonna repurchase because they are just amazing. One thing I'm 100% not gonna repurchase because, let's be honest, it's not good. At least not for me. Maybe it's working with your lips, but this lip balm is not for me, sadly. I really tried to like it, but it's just not working. So anyways, those are the products I'm 100% gonna repurchase, or I 100% can recommend. And I think if you're buying one of those products, it's gonna be worth your money. That one, not so much. I'm really sorry, Glossier, but that's not working for my lips. They're just going drier and drier, which is so sad because I really love the scent. Is Glossier worth the money? I would say yes. So I really love the product and I love this natural makeup look, so yeah, that's why I think it is really worth it, at least for me. I know they're a bit pricier than high street beauty products, but they are 100% worth it. They're just worth it. So do you have any recommendations? What's your favorite Glossier product? Did you try one of those that I mentioned in this video? Let's have a little chat down below, and I hope you liked this video and I will see you guys soon. Bye!